Hey y'all, it's Free to Be Riri with another video. I'm just coming with my retwist. I have not done a retwist since January, so look at all this new growth. Woo! So that short that you see on my channel is the last time I retwisted my hair, so I'm just coming by to give a long version. I do separate my hair into sections just to give me a smaller area to work with. I'll work with that little back section, and then I will add my water, add my oil, and I'm using this, it's new for me, but this is a lock and braid gel. I've never used this before, but I love the texture. It's really tacky. It looks like it's gonna hold really well, especially compared to the Jamaican mango and lime that I use now. It's more like a grease. So I'm just adding my water, adding my oil, get the section all separated, get all the hairs separated, and then I add the gel, and then I retwist just the area that is not locked. So I just do the roots. And then once I retwist that, palm roll it, I then add the clip and I repeat. And I'm just going to do this in real time instead of speeding it up. And then we'll go to the next part. Here, I just wanted to show how I separate the hairs, because in that amount of time of not having to retwist, the roots get really tangled together. So I just, once it's moisturized, I go in and separate it so that I don't break my hair. So moisturize it real good, put your oil in your water, and it's easier for you to separate those hairs. Okay, here I have the first section done, and I'm just kind of checking it out, trying to see how it's looking. And then I'm comparing it to the other side just to see how much thicker the other side is than this side that's done. You see no scalp on that side, and on the side, this side is a lot of scalp. So yeah. And then finally I did get both sides done off camera. So both back sections are done, and now I just only have the front to do. And there we go, with just one left. So I did most of this while I was at my desk at work, and then I came back to do this last section for you guys, just so you can see how it looks when it's finally done. It usually takes me about 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours to get this completed. And it's between calls and, stop in and pick the kids up, all that kind of stuff. So today I actually got it done before I had to pick them up, so I did pretty good. But I'm just kind of looking at it because I'm thinking that like it looks like it has like a film on it, and I'm like, ooh, and it feels really tacky and like sticky. I'm like, oh, I wonder how this is gonna look when this is done, because right now it is, of course, I did this on freshly washed hair. It's a little bit damp because it was, kind of damp overnight. It kind of air dried overnight, but then it still was a little bit damp, and of course I add the water. So I'm just kind of looking at it like, okay, it's kind of stiff. I'm trying to see what's going on. And I'm just constantly tapping it, trying to feel like how sticky it is. And I'm just waiting for it to dry. I have to blow dry it. So I'll be right back. And just like that, with the magic of editing, I am done. It dried perfect. No film, no like grayish look. It all dried, black. It looks good. It feels soft and flowy. It's not stiff like it was when it was wet. And it feels so light and airy. I love it. And the results, look, it's nice. It's holding really well. And I can't wait to see, as time goes on, how much longer my retwist will last. So I'm just doing a little side look for y'all. Just doing a quick little hairstyle for my newly retwisted hair. Enjoy. Now, y'all know I cannot end this video without a slow-mo. Your girl is excited about her hang time. Okay. And as usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.